Hey guys, welcome to the Excel formulas and functions. Today we will calculate the fiscal month from a date, okay? And as I told you before, there can be a difference between the calendar month and a fiscal month for a business, okay? For example, the calendar months start from first and from the first I mean the first January 2010, okay, and your fiscal months start from the 24 January and its end on the 23rd January, okay. In that case your dates after each 24th of month will be considered as the next month, okay, and dates before the 24 will relate to the same month. For example, 23rd January will be 23rd will be the uh, 30th January for you, and the 24th January will be the 1st February for you, okay. In that case, for example, if we have this date, now let me wait guys, fiscal quarter, or oh no, okay, this is not the quarter but the fiscal month, okay. I will just write the month, okay. So let's say that your month start from 25th of each month and its end on the 24th of next month, okay. So this is, you can see the 1st January 2012 will be the January, of course it will be January, but after the 23rd, from the 25th January, it will not be considered January as your fiscal month, but it will be your February, okay. So if you have dates in this format and you want to return it into your fiscal months, there is a very simple formula which you can use for this purpose. So you just type the text, okay, and after the text you can see it here, double click it, and after this you have to write, please listen to me very carefully, EO month, okay, and double click the EO month, and now you have to specify the cell for which you are intended to find the fiscal month, okay. So this is the B3 here, and here you have to type minus, and minus the this 24, okay, from where your month ends. So write the 24, okay, and now type the comma and 1, okay. After this you have to close the parenthesis and again type comma and inverted comma m, and inverted comma, and you are just going to close the parenthesis and press enter, okay. So you see this date relate to January of your fiscal year, okay. Now let me find the other ones and then we will see. You can see this is the 21 January, so again this is the January month, okay, and here the date is 29th February 2012 is not the February, but it is you March of I mean your fiscal month. This date relate to the March of your fiscal month, okay, because it is after the 25th of month, okay. As I told you here, the month start from the 25th. So likewise these are also the, you see it is February and it is May, of course, because the date is before the 25th, and these dates are also the July and September. But here if you can see, this is the 28th November, but as the date is after 25th, you see it shows it is your December, okay. And here you can see the December dates, but it says it is your January, okay. So this is how you can find your fiscal months from the dates, okay. It is a very simple formula. Let me give you or show you the formula here so that you can use it for your own later when you want to use it, okay. So this is the formula. You are just required to change this cell address wherever you want to use it, okay. I think it is very helpful and it was very easy. So kindly like our videos and share it with your friends. and please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.